everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to tell you one story, and that story is going to be quite interesting because this story not only improve your listening power but also increase your speaking way. So watch the video till the end and you will find out one question at the end of the video to check whether your listening power is up to the mark or not. And you can also try this story in your own language, either your own language, or you can copy which sentence I am going to use. So let's go without age. So this story is about a old man who had a bag, and that bag was filled up with gold. One day he went to his farm and he dug a hole in the ground and he put the bag inside the hole. After that he covered the hole with stone and he went away from there. And he used to visit that place to check whether my treasure or bag of gold is present or not. At that moment he used to get happy after seeing that. One day, as usual, he went there to check my treasure or bag of gold is present or not. When he took the stone aside and he put the finger inside, he discovered that there was no any bag of gold. The bag of gold was missing. So in that time he was quite upset and angry at that moment. He went to his friend's house in no time and he narrated entire story to his friend, how I lost the gold. After listening carefully, the friend started bursting into laughter. At that moment the old man quite shocked with the behavior of his friend, and he said to his friend that why are you laughing? Then his friend said that there is no question to be upset. There is no any option to be. It is a pointless to be said because you had a goal, but you are not using those gold. So why are you so upset? You have your farm, you have your house still, but you can skip one thing is that you can imagine that my treasure or bag of gold is still inside the hole. So what is the theme of this story? The theme of the story is very simple. We have come in this beautiful world for some reason, and our role, no one can play our role better than us. We have a hidden talent. We need to discover those hidden talent. We need to express those talent to the other person and not just keep the talent inside us, because if we don't express our talent, how the people will know? But there is a one exceptional thing is that we need to express our talent not to prove others but improve yourself. We need to help some other person. We make someone smile, we make someone life better, and when you have changed someone life and because of you that person didn't give up, that is the called real life. In this video I am just going to tell you your talent is quite impressive. You can do anything by your talent. So I correlate with our talent with the gold, because gold is also useless just like our talent. You are quite intelligent but you are not utilizing your talent, so your talent is going to be waste. Just had a gold but he was not utilizing. He was kept the gold inside the hole and he was getting happy after seeing the gold. So I hope you have got the theme of this video, and now move to the end of the video. There is a one question. So question is that why did the old man get sad? So this is very simple question. I hope if you listen the question if you listen my story very carefully, so you will give the answer. And so we will meet in the next video with some interesting fact. So take care, have